Who am I? Who may you ask? My name is Jawan Smith. You may know me as the normal chef. I have at least 100 million restaurants across the world. How did it happen? Well, one day I was sitting at home when ring, ring, ring. Oh, hello, opportunity? Yeah, that's right. I'm the chef for normal people. Yeah, I boil water, top ramen, cereal, waffles, all that. Everyone needs a chef to create those things. My restaurants everywhere. My food, every store ever has my own creation. Water. Yeah, that's right. I own water. I own ice. All that stuff. Frozen waffles, those are mine. Cereal, those are mine. I am the top ranked chef in the world. Every single restaurant has me. I am the number one, the superior god. Every chef looks up to me. Yeah, Gordon Ramsay, hello? I don't hear you. Gordon Ramsay, more like Gordon not good. I'm the one you should be watching out for because I am the best chef out there. I'm unbeatable in my craft. I boil water. Oh wait, what do? Boil water. Did you know that I boil water too? Yeah, because I'm the number one dog. We are number one. When I say we, I mean me. Never been beaten in a competition in my life. Hello, can I help you? Oh, do I take L's? No. Take those dubs, just like in Fortnite. So I'm a cool gamer, and I'm also a chef. Yeah, that's right. I'm a man of many talents. Talent's something I'm good at, because I never lose. Anything I'll do, I win. I take waffles, I win. I take ice, I win. Boom. Bida bop bop pow. Boom. Yeah, that's right. Boom. Boom. Oh, I was finding all my dubs in there because I never lose. I always win.
What's up? My name is Gravy Boat. You probably haven't heard of me, but I am the best chef in the state of Oklahoma. You know, the state that kind of looks like a frying pan or a saucepan? Well, anyways, that's how you know I can cook. My competitor, Japan or Jawan, whatever his name is, he doesn't come from anywhere in this country, at least that I'm aware of. He probably comes from some boat in the middle of the ocean. He is irrelevant. He doesn't know anything about cooking. I don't even think he knows what cooking is. Maybe he can boil some water, but I'm sure he'll burn it. Anyways, you know I can cook because of my heritage in Oklahoma. Back there, with my family, we made these things every single day. And they're delicious. Let me tell you. Back in Oklahoma, our meals were just made up of those. We make those from a secret family recipe that nobody knows, not even us. We just guess. We just throw things in like... and it works. I'm magic. Jawan is nothing.
My name is Christian Joshua Avelino Cruz, and I will be the judge of today's contest. I am a world-renowned connoisseur when it comes to culinary arts. I am the best. On the kitchen, in the bathroom, wherever, I am the best. I am the best no matter what. I'm the best in this classroom. I taught the best. He's the second best. You know SpongeBob? I taught him. I can't wait to try both of their foods. You know why? Because I want to see who's this I am the best! Alright? No matter what I taste, it's trash. See this? What is this? Rice Krispie? Hold on, I cannot open it. Dude, that was trash! It was trash. You know why? Because I'm the best and I didn't make this trash. Get that camera out of my face.
So, Christian Cruz. Do you agree? I agree. What I meant to say there is, through my actions, I've learned that this man is from France, becomes the best judges. And he's the best judge because he knows the normal chef always reign supreme. I word Supreme. Supreme drops every Thursday at 8 a.m. I'm there. He knows what's best. He'd be like, hey, comrade, you want to taste food? Food tastes like gift from God. And I'm like, why are you rushing? Because I'm just rushing to give you 100% win dub every time. Thank you, man. You're welcome. Normal chef. You should be called God level chef because you God. You God, Uganda. Thank you. I did watch Black Panther. Thank you. I hope you will win. Oh, psych. I know you win competition. You win every competition. I know. It means a lot. Thank you. You're welcome. You know? See that? Yes, bro. You're a bro now? Yes. Because of that, I'm gonna win. Thanks, bro. It means a lot. You're a good man. Good man to you too. Thank you. Let's get cooking, boys. Step 1. We out here. I learned my thing is speed is key because back at home, we don't have no time to be slowing down. No, we gotta go fast. We gotta work hard, play hard. Alright, first you gotta leave the mayonnaise on. The mayonnaise is the most key ingredient because without mayonnaise, it's gonna be dry. You don't want no dry sandwich. We wait for the meat later. Actually, the tip is put the meat on first. That's right, meat. The meat goes on first. The cheese is what layers the meat. Put the meat on just like so. Gotta be careful. Careful. There we go. There. It's careful. See, the precision. You want to try to put 2 pieces on per bread. Since we have 2 breads, 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 1, that's 3. Quick math. And then we got, from the ground, we got our cheese. From the ground, we got our cheese. Here's what we do. Okay, so here's a tip I learned back in Kansas. Crumple it up, ball it up, kind of like a juice, and then there we go, and then squirt that onto there like so. That, and then we top that with a piece of normal cheese. Yeah, see, what I learned from Kansas is that that's how the real Americans eat it. It gives it more of a crunch, which is what you're looking for. Alright, gotta get the lettuce ready. Up next, it's not opening. Ugh. Oh, there we go. So, lettuce. Put it on just like that. Gotta make sure it tastes fresh. Alright. Lettuce goes on. It's tasting good. Fresh from your local grocer. And from there, here we go. The mustard and the ketchup. So what you're gonna want to do, for the ketchup, take that, there you go, and then it should, there we go, and what we have here, boys, is a classic, the classic sandwich from me, normal chef. Catch me outside, how about that? Let's see what that pie man from that weird country can do. I'm the best. You know what? I deserve that prize.
Alright, the first thing you're going to want to worry about when you're making a sandwich is the bread. You need a lot of it. A lot of bread. This much. And the cheese. You need those vitamins. I don't remember what cheese has, but it's important. Plastic is just as important. Needs to be right on it. And the meat, just throw it on. Just like that. Good stuff. That's fine. We don't need it anyways. You have to inspect your greens. Get real close and personal with them. Know their name. Where are you from? This one's from New York. Let's just get that back. Could use a little more work. The sauces, or as we call them in Oklahoma, spicy water. This isn't working. Yes. If you make a happy face on your sandwich, the judges will love you. A happy sandwich is a winning sandwich. Good night. Now this is going to be a portrait of my competitor after I win. That's a tear. Now this is a sandwich.
Normal chef, let's go! Let's go! Ah! Joe! Ah! Ah!
What is this?
Ah! I am number one. I only win. I never lose. Fortnite dubs, everybody. Ugh.
Both of these look very vile. Is this a piece of hair? I'll choose this one. Now for the second one. Can't even grab it. That is amazing! Whoever made this sandwich is a genius. This is the first meal I've ever liked that was not made by me. Come on, who made this sandwich? Which one of you was it, huh? Huh?
Figure it out.
You get in the closets. Vanish!